Hi, Mom, and hi, Sir. My name is Angela de Guzman, but you can call me Angie. I am 26 years old and live in the Philippines. I am a college graduate, took up Bachelor of Liberal Arts, major in Political Science. I've been a nanny for almost 6 years with 6 members, 2 children, and 4 adults. The age of 2 children are 5-year-old boy and a 7-year-old girl, and 9 months baby boy in Hong Kong for almost 9 months. As a nanny, my main duties and responsibilities is to take care of the children and babies. Also, I assure them for their safety and also help them for their everyday routine. I also prepare nutritious snacks and foods for them. I also help them with their studies and teaching them a good moral lessons like saying thank you and please. As a nanny, I also do household tasks or chores like washing plates, laundry, ironing, marketing, and budgeting. As a person, I am a very enthusiastic, reliable, trustworthy, flexible, and a jolly person with a kind-hearted person. Mom and Sir, if you hire me, I will do my very best just to prove that I am perfect for this role. I am glad to see you soon, and I assure you that I will share and values your family. And I assure you that I will share a positive impact with your family and your daily lives. Thank you and God bless.